This man, Lincoln Cortez Velasquez, better known as Kong TV, is a prominent Filipino YouTuber, vlogger, comedian, and entrepreneur, widely recognized as one of the leading YouTube personalities in the Philippines. Before he reached the life he has today, he once spoke words that left a lasting mark on the minds of many Filipinos.
If you want to change your life, you have to change your mind. Okay? I'll start it with that. Kung gusto mong baguhin ang buhay mo, baguhin mo muna yung takbo ng utak mo. Kasi kung ano yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa iyo ngayon, lahat yan, nagmula sa utak mo lang. Nagmanifest lang yan into reality. Okay? Why? Because your thoughts, okay, becomes your words. And your words becomes your action. And your action becomes your reality.
Now he has over $4.53 million through hard work, dedication, humility, and everything he has today.